Are you really being present? Go on, admit it. Not just face-to-face meetings, but on Zoom or on Teams. Is your eyes diverted away from the camera and perhaps starting to have a little look and seeing what else is on your phone? Organising, or just perhaps doing other emails, or perhaps organising your weekend. God, admit it, we're all guilty. But what's that saying to the person that's talking? How do you think that makes them feel? How do you feel when you're presenting or talking and it's plainly obvious other people just aren't there for you? It's a bit soul destroying in some respects. So being present in terms of with your body language, showing that you're there for that person, it's a great way of influencing and showing that you're interested. People will then trust you more, and it's a great way of showing that, hey, I'm there for you, and then more people will be there for you when you're presenting and talking. So give it a go, and just shut things down. Just give your concentration to the camera and to the person that's talking, or in a meeting to that person. Give them good positive body language, give them good eye contact, show you're there for them, you want to support them and see them do a good job. Give it a go, notice the difference, and before and after every meeting, just ask, am I going to be present today? And after the meeting, just ask yourself, have I been present? Give it a go. See the changes in the way that you feel and people's reactions to you.